English quicker. That is, describe a short summer, not a vacation that you were impressed. Okay, where you went, who you went with, what you did. Explain why this was an impressive vacation. तो आप कहीं पे थोड़े टाइम के लिए 4-6 दिन के लिए छुट्टियों के लिए गए थे. सो यू आर टू एक्सप्लेन रिलेटेड टू दैट. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टॉपिक वुड बी इन द पास्ट. योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ.
In our daily in our daily day-to-day task, the vacation is like the relief from our hectic day-to-day schedule, like hard schedule. I am last second month I went for
Went or only went
I
or had gone?
I went for a short vacation of 6 days with my uncle and my old elder brother to Hemkund. It is like in the within the mountains,
Okay.
like in the middle of mountains, mountain ranges. It is like a heaven on our earth. The distance from to my home is to Hemkund is 800 kilometers. We was going on.
We was or we were?
We were.
Or we had gone?
We had gone on our bikes, like travel from our home to bikes. It took us for 2 days to achieve to Govindham. It is like half. If we to cover Rishikesh in 1 day, it is like half
Distance is of?
distance is covered. Like from Rishikesh to Govindham, it is 270 kilometers. The distance is 270 kilometers. It also took 1.5 days to cover.
Furthermore.
Because more 300 kilometers we could cover in 1 day. To our hometown, Rishikesh. Because the road is very good and it is in plain area. After the Rishikesh, it is started a trekking for the bikes.
When you go to past, then use past route. If you come back to present, then use present route.
It is very hard to drive on that time. I am also
The question is in zigzag way.
I am also trying to drive, but I can't.
am or was?
I was trying to drive, but I can't.
I couldn't.
Because to my hometown, to Patiala, I was driving.
Driving or riding?
I was riding.
I was riding the bike.
After that, my uncle was
Charged it.
I gave them
The bike to my uncle.
my uncle's hand. Like he was going for 18 years.
Okay.
Like after 1 year,
He goes every year.
every year.
He has experience.
He had all the experience.
Hmm.
He also said me. He also told me that if there is a very good view, then please don't tell me or interrupt me if I am driving the way. If I am driving the way. Because it is if I see, then we going to
Fell down.
fall down.
May going to.
May-
Maybe going to fall down.
If we going to if we going to upstairs, then we have to stay our eyes on the road.
Correct.
If something is if we are
Slightly
slightly bent to see the view, then we may go.
May fell down.
It is very hard to drive on that area. At 270
Kilometer.
are like 500 kilometers. Because we have to ride slowly, not fast. That we drive on 10 meters.
Compared to plain
Compared to-
areas, driving over hilly area, it's
Is
much tough.
much tough. After reaching the Govindham, all my colleagues,
Hmm.
you can say, all my members,
Okay.
are
My companions
my companions who gave me company are
were
were going to sleep, but I can't because
I couldn't.
I couldn't because
I thought
I thought because we are not coming here
for sleeping
for
purpose.
sleep. Because it's my first time.
It was my first time.
It was my first time, and they are coming.
They
were
were
coming for
mostly every year.
mostly everywhere. Like I want to watch this view.
Wanted
I wanted to watch this view,
that view.
that view for hours and hours.
Hmm.
Because because there were very good beauty.
There was
There was very good beauty,
hmm.
and I
wanted
wanted to stay there for
hmm.
like one day.
to just live with the nature, to be one with the nature.
If we going to see the mountains, we can't stop our eyes.
Hmm. Because views are eye-catching.
Eye-catching. Mountains are.
Everything mesmerizes you.
This is the nature. This is our life.
Hmm.
This is a heaven.
That's we.
That's it. That's
Our
why
true nature.
That's why we are coming here for watching this view.
Hmm. Hmm.
After that, we slept for one day, like one night.
Okay.
After that, we woke up for like
At 3 a.m.
we woke up at 3:30,
Hmm.
and my uncle said to me to go to take a bath.
Hmm.
Then I went to take bath. When I come back,
Came
my,
back.
my all companions are ready.
Were ready.
Were ready to go on like going for our trekking. If our body is used to go for
Hmm.
it.
Just to have the experience. Hmm.
Then the distance it is of 42 kilometers.
42 kilometer by walk.
Like it is of 22 kilometers, but it feels like it is 40
Yeah.
or 50.
Hilly area distance wouldn't be measured directly.
Because
It goes in a zigzag way.
zigzag. Yes, that's why.
You have to reach to that mountain, but you can't go directly.
Yes. Then it in the area the facilities of helicopter is there.
Hmm.
The ticket of it is 500.
Hmm. One way.
One way. But it also cover only for Govindham, not like direct
To the main temple.
To main temple. To go main temple is have to going with our legs or have a horse.
Okay.
That's why.
So inner stamina is required.
It's very hard for me to going
Hmm.
to the temple.
Okay, so the third day you started trekking from Govind to Govind Ghat. Okay, Dham to Ghat.
It is 22 kilometers.
And Ghangariya some mid location.
Yes.
Hmm.
But we can't.
We
not
didn't
stay there.
there. Stay there. Okay, so within how many hours did you cover? One day. Then after reaching to Govind Ghat. Dham, right? Finally?
Like we started like from in the morning 4 o'clock.
Hmm.
Then we reach at
Evening,
like evening we 5 o'clock.
5:35.
5 o'clock we reached.
Hmm.
After taking some food, drink tea, but I can't sleep.
I couldn't
I
sleep.
couldn't sleep. And
Or I didn't feel like.
feel like I
Sleepy.
want to sleep. And I have to not to sleep
Hmm. Okay.
because we are not coming to sleep.
We hadn't gone there for sleeping purpose. That was
We are sleeping in our
to
home.
grab the nature
We are also
or to be with one with nature.
we are also there to
We were also there.
we can sleep in our homes. But not there.
Hmm. Okay. So the fourth day early morning.
So today we are starting to like main drive. It is of 11 kilometers. But it is like,
Did you carry any luggage with you?
yes, this bag.
Okay, 10 kg
This
luggage.
bag gone like.
Had gone with
had
me?
gone with me like
Till the
top
temple.
of the temple.
Till the location of
Because
temple.
my clothes is there. Look,
My clothes and accessory
warm clothes is there.
were there.
But
Okay.
when
So
I,
10 kg luggage would be with you.
5 kg.
5 kg luggage.
I have to carry in my bag.
I had to carry essentials.
No, there was very inflation. Like 50 rupees toffees or 10 toffees only.
Okay, 1 rupee single candies. Candies of
Five.
1 candies of 5 rupees.
Yes.
Okay.
Cold drinks of 80 rupees, 90 rupees, 41.
Okay,
These are 40s and 80.
double price,
Triple price.
triple price. Because that is also difficult for them to carry that thing till there.
10 rupees biscuits of 30 rupees.
Okay, so experienced. You saw the
I bought.
influential.
I bought.
Hmm.
10 rupee tea, 40 rupees.
Hmm. So didn't you see any religious food distribution or langar
One time is there, but
was there?
I use. But there is very crowded. That's why I don't.
There was. Did you see government facilities? Any medical facility?
Medical facility is there.
But police security? If you lost some bag or somewhere,
Nothing.
no police, nothing.
Because there is not like Pakistani. It's like
That's not any emergency
emergency. But
or risky location.
But it is in Amarnath, you can see. It is there, but in
Uttarakhand?
in Himachal is not there.
Okay. But if something happens,
I
then
seen a
you
glacier.
require.
I see a glacier.
I saw.
Small glacier.
Hmm.
In my front of me. Like this is the area, this is our glacier.
Hmm.
I seen it.
Then further, finally you reached.
Finally I reached and I stayed there for 5 minutes
Stayed.
and I go for bath.
Went for
Then
bath.
when I used to video call all you. Yes,
I made a
a video call.
video call to my teacher and to my relatives. Hmm.
Like
Before bathing, you made a call.
before.
Before bathing.
And seeing what the days after video call I used to
Went to temple.
went to take a bath. Like
Okay.
from one dubki,
From one day.
one day.
It was like
my head and my ear are
were
stop for
freezed.
like,
Freezed.
Like stop for stop for. It is very hard to explain everything about it because it is very long journey for me. Like it is short vacation, but it have very good experience. That's why. So this is enough. for me.
Finally, you entered the temple.
And entered temple and this is the last is going there.
Religious break.
In this way. After that we ate like khichdi. After 2 glass of tea.
I had there.
And then I have some good feeling.
I felt well.
Felt well. I think I'm not.
I
freezing.
thought.
I thought I'm not freezing. This time I'm in normal.
Because the water is damn chilled at that location.
3 times from Haridwar.
Compared.
Compare. 3 times
Because
colder.
that is the natural air, that ice is melting. And if
focus are low.
okay, so now we should go for follow-up for next 5 minutes. Are there special places for visiting in India?
Yes, many visitors are there to watching the beauty of India.
Do Indian people like to travel abroad?
Yes, Indian people like want to travel abroad because they used to go for studies, we can say, and for doing jobs, and honeymoons are main purposes for going for abroad.
Okay, how can people benefit from traveling?
I think they know the situations first.
Okay,
The travel,
traveler, a good traveler.
like traveling,
Hmm.
The person who are traveling.
Who is traveling?
Who is traveling said to him or her that
Says to him.
says to him that their time is taken to going there. The
Means-
time is fixed. Like this is a patience. To stay there for 5 or 6 hours, to driving and everything, like going through
Patience with the consistency.
consistent. It is good.
Do you like to travel your own or with your family?
Both have traveled. But his family I prefer it.
Do people prefer short trips or long trips?
Both have their own
Pros and cons.
consequences. But short trips are very good, I think.
What kind of problems would people have when they go on a long trip?
Clothes are finished,
Okay.
money are finished.
Then enjoyment changed into tiredness.
They think that we have to sleep.
So it means 4 to 5 days.
Are enough. Like a week is enough. After that week, it is very.
You have to return back to get your energy back. Okay.
Then after then a month we can